Hi, it's JG. It's another beautiful day in North Alabama. It's about 100% humidity. It rained last night. It is absolutely disgusting. So we're gonna play around with the smoker. Over the last 24 hours, I've resealed the bottom interior with some lava lock RTV 450 sealant. Took a few videos of that. I'll be posting that after this clip shortly. And I also got my adapter for the PartyQ in, so we're going to give that a test today. So I've already sprayed it down with some canola oil, and we're going to get it lit and see how long it takes to get up to temperature. Alright, I'm in the process of degreasing everything before applying the silicone bead. Just wanted to talk about the construction of the smoker itself. I believe that this larger piece that we're seeing here consists of the outside, interior walls. These three, it's a single piece of steel and it's bent. And I believe the bottom pan that we see here, as well as the top, the roof, two separate pieces. I believe the top and the bottom, there was if you imagine a flat sheet of metal, it was bent at a 90-degree angle, approximately 1 inch from all sides. And after it was bent, the edges were not welded together. So when welding it to this large interior piece, it'll essentially allows for grease to run out the corners at all intersections. So front and back. I will be degreasing this and applying a bead to the bottom to prevent that from happening further. Hit it with some spray oven cleaner. Want to let it soak for about the next 15-20 minutes or so, ensure everything is broken up. I particularly paid the most attention to the edges over there. I'm going to be taking a nylon brush and scrubbing it down in that edge all along the bottom to ensure that there's no grease, and then I'll come back with that sealant. So after cleaning up and degreasing the inside, this is what we're looking at. I was able to find the Lava Lock RTV 450 locally. It's rated at 450 degrees max, 350 continuous. It is USDA approved, and that is the key factor in this one. You don't want to go to the auto parts store and use any gasket material. It is not USDA approved. So we will be lining the inside edges down here all the way to that corner, back all the way around, and we'll let it sit for about 24 to 48 hours, cure and harden, and this should prevent it from leaking grease from this point forward. Just a quick look at the final product. It wasn't until I got to the right side that it became a little bit more difficult. I ended up just using a glove, basically smearing it on my fingers and cramming up underneath there to really get into that corner. But I took my finger, ran along the edge to really work it into the crease, and then I think it should be good to go from this point forward. Come back in about 24 hours, do another seasoning with some canola oil and another burn-in. Alright, it's been about 36 minutes. I timed it for 20, closed the firebox door, closed the charcoal chute, open up the exhaust, and let it do its thing. 36 minutes, I can't complain. Just to give you an idea, it takes probably about an hour for my Weber Smoky Mountain to light the charcoal chimney, get those charcoals going, and then getting up to temperature. So 36 minutes, that's a pretty awesome thing. Also, I picked up 2 different types of charcoal to test. Picked up the Cowboy brand over at Costco. I think it's approximately $20 for 36 pounds right now. I've used the lump a few times in the past. I have nothing bad to say. I just go for whatever's cheap. The Royal Oak twin bag, walking through Walmart the other day, found it for $10 for about 36 pounds. So figured I'd give that a try as well. So I'm gonna keep playing with different charcoals until I find something that works best. I have high hopes for the charcoal, or for the Cowboy. One other thing, also got my 1 1/4 inch ball valve in for the drain. So pretty excited about that. It's gonna make cleanup a little bit easier, just less messy. There's no real problems with the cap that's on there. It's just if it's greasy, you might have to wear a glove or something, and then I'll open it up. I plan on adding a hose adapter to it, and then being able to dispose of it properly. I plan on taking this to competition once I get the temperature figured out. And the local competition areas, they have the ability to dispose of grease. So might be a little bit easier and quicker. But that's all I have for now. Thanks for watching.